welcome back to my channel. Ooh. Hey y'all, today we're doing a get ready with me grungy look, you know, giving the vibes, full kind of look vibes, feel me? With a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, hit that bell notifications before you leave. Okay guys, so I missed you guys. I haven't posted in like fucking month, and due to there's no excuses for not posting, but I do have an excuse. So if you are in college, if you are a college student, you can 100% definitely relate to what I'm about to tell. So in college, they start you off easy, depending on the college. They start you off with little papers, you know, little shit like that. Then now all they doing is hitting me with the quizzes. Like literally I have at least gotten like 3 fucking quizzes already, y'all. I had to study, do essays, 4 to 5 page essays. I just been working and I've been doing so much shit, and honestly I can do YouTube and school at the same time, but then work came along. I started working too, so that's kind of like hard to keep up with everything. So yeah, how are you guys feeling? How you guys been doing? You know, you guys shit, whatever. We about to hit, well, we're not even about to hit 1,000 yet, but I want to hit 1,000 before the year is over. I've been fiending to hit 1,000. Like, yo, once you hit 1,000, that's like, for me it's an accomplishment, you know what I'm saying? Because like 1,000 is a lot. That means that means 1,000 people they at some point in their life enjoyed watching your videos. But like honestly speaking, I had so much hair I didn't need to like cut the whole shit off, you know. Sometimes I don't understand myself. I just don't. With this color, I'm just keeping it in the corner. I'm not gonna really wing that out because I don't want my eyes looking too long. Today is Thanksgiving, and this is literally the only time I have a break to film a video. Literally the only time, because tomorrow I have to go Black Friday shopping. That's the only time I'm actually gonna go Christmas shopping, so what the heck. It makes sense. I wanna steal your soul and hide you in my treasure chest. I don't know what to do. Do it fit your kiss on my neck? Guys, yo, please tell me yes. Do y'all listen to Billie Eilish? Yo, she's the shit. Literally, that's all I listen to. Don't forget you. I'm literally trying to like I'm trying to go without heat for a year. And even my dad was like, Destiny, when was the last time you got a washing set here? He was trying to give me money to go get a washing set. I was like, no, I'm not getting a washing set. He's like, why not? You look crazy. Leave me alone. So what? So what if I'm not good? If I'm being realistic with y'all, like I'm gonna be turning 18 and I don't know what I'm gonna do for my birthday. Isn't that great? Okay, I didn't never realize until now, literally the Jaclyn Hill palette, some of the colors aren't blending well together. Let me just, you see, like, what the fuck? Yep. I'm not feeling it. I deadass love this palette. The colors in here are fucking awesome. It's just they're not blending well together like they should, so I have to pack this shit out of the color. And even with that, look, let me get closer. It's still like not cooperating. Like, oh my god, yo, this looks that darker that other shade. I'm gonna just use the black shade in the outer corner because this red shade just is, I think the color is called Jax. Yeah, it's not blending well with the with Hunts. Like, I don't understand. Closer. I'm gonna clean up the sides because it's looking crazy. Okay guys, now that I'm done applying my lashes, this is the eyelashes I use. I use the Dodolashes in the style 306. I love them. These lashes are great for hooded eyes, small little eyes, and they fit really nice, you know. They look natural looking. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with my moisturizer, the NYXN moisturizer, and let me tell you guys, I honestly don't really like this moisturizer like that, and let me tell you why. Because my skin still, like, this feels nice on my skin, but it just doesn't moisturize my skin. Like, literally later on that day, I'll like scratch my skin or something and I'll still see flakes on my skin. What the fuck? Oh, the makeup. Yeah. But I would feel flakes on my skin, like on my forehead, like it's the most driest place ever. So I bought the box. It says, oh, you gotta put your card in because it's gonna charge you every month. So I'm thinking like, okay, I can easily like cancel it, right? So let me tell you, because listen, call the lady, right? Because, you know, I wanted to cancel because I was not playing that shit. Like, bitch, you're not gonna charge my ass. I don't want to keep it. Like, so I went to call the lady to cancel. She's literally telling me, oh, you should really try to cancel it another time, you know. You should wait till the box has gotten to your house or whatever so you can cancel whatever. I'm like, okay, whatever. I guess they want to make sure that the box gets here, so if I cancel they don't like send the box back and there goes my money or whatever. So I was like, okay, that makes sense. So I'm like, okay, I'll call back when the shit comes. The shit comes, I'll call them again. The lady like, oh, you should get, if I were you, I would wait to give the product a try, because it shows that you just received the box and you should give it a try and see if you like it first, because you don't know, you might like it and you don't want to like try to cancel. And she was literally trying to talk me into that shit, and I was just like, bitch, I want to fucking cancel it, okay? I don't know why you're trying to tell me to keep it. I don't want to keep it. I just wanted the little $5 box. You could just cancel the shit. I don't want it. She's literally convincing me to, you know, not cancel it. And I'm just like, yo, bro, cancel our shit. She's like, yo, you can give it a try. I was just like, okay. Because she was really not trying to give up. So I was like, okay, so if I'm going to give it a try, do not charge my box for the next month or whatever. She's like, yeah, of course. We'll give it to you. We'll give you until November, because I ordered the box like sometime in like August. So he's like, we'll give you till November so that it doesn't charge you and you can just try the product, see if you like it, and if not, call back. So I'm like, okay, that sounds, you know, reasonable. And now they keep trying. First of all, let me just say I'm happy I didn't use my debit card because they would have been dragging it. But I worked for Summer Youth, so the card that I used for the box was the Summer Youth card, and like I didn't have no more money on it. And let me show you the email. It's so fucking funny because they're trying to charge me. Actually, I can show you. Is paycheck plus blah blah blah. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but literally you can see right here it says. Hold on, I'm trying to focus it. Focus, motherfucker. Okay. It just says $39. Look, you see how many times they charging me? Look at this. All of this. This is from them. Just read it. It's literally the same message telling me that they charging me $39. $39. Keep going. Keep going. Like, sis, I don't want the box. I don't want it. And they tight because there's no money on the car. So they just gonna keep trying to get the money out the car. And ain't shit coming out. So whatever. But my card alerted me, and you know they're saying, well, if this ain't a proper transaction, you gotta call us or whatever. But it don't matter anyways. There's only 48 cents on the damn card, so they can keep the 48 cents if they want it so bad. I don't want that box. Like, you know, it's gonna charge you monthly. It's like a monthly subscription. They just tell you get the box. They don't even tell you none of the extra shit that you really need to know that that's actually important. Yes. Just lesson learned. All I know is if I'm gonna promote a product to y'all guys, I'm gonna tell y'all the downfalls to it. I'm gonna be like, well, you know, if you got dry skin, you may not like this, or if it's a subscription, this, that, and the third. Or maybe the company probably tell them like, oh, don't tell them it's a subscription, because they're more likely to, you know, go on the site if they don't see that it's a subscription. But still, that's fucked up, honestly. I don't see it in my heart to do that to somebody, to y'all. Like, that's fucked up. When you blend the concealer, you want to start from the bottom and then gradually go up. Because if you start from here, you're going to get too much product, and then when you blend it, it's going to look messy. I'm going to start from the bottom. I'm going to start from the bottom, and you see it's already like blended out. And then you can just work your way up. So, good. Banana powder. And let me tell y'all, at first I deadass did not like this powder. I guess it was probably because, I don't know, this powder works when it wants to work. Like, some days I like it, some days I don't. You ever had a product like that? You're just like, oh, let me give it a shot. I spend money on it. You give it a shot again, it's like, oh shit, I like it. You're more likely to like tear up and shit. Pro Conceal, the L.a Girl Pro Concealer. That's the main one that I usually use for my clients. And then I'll like set the powder, and it'll look really good on them. But I've been changing up the products I use on my clients because I don't play that shit. I use Patrick Star powder on them now. And this is my favorite freaking shade in the palette. This right here. This looks so good on my cheeks. And I mix it with this a little bit. Okay, now oh, what I did on the eye, I basically use what I use on the outer corner, on the eye, the black, burgundy color, and the reddish color. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait, let me get my mirror because I want to put it in the wrong spot. Okay, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe too, because I know y'all be watching my videos and don't be subscribing. Subscribe. Okay. Leave a comment and check out the description box because all my social medias will be down there. Deuces.